Hey, it's Todd with the Stop Shop. We are trying to get the dash speaker replaced on the 67 Firebird convertible. Obviously this one's seen better days, so we called the guys over at Firebird Central and ordered a Custom Audiosound replacement. This should work in any first-gen Camaro or Firebird. I tried to look up videos to find out what I needed to remove to get this one out and the new one in, and didn't find much. So what I ended up doing was just crawling in here and having a look. There is no glove box in here, I just have the door. So once I got under there and looked up, I saw that mounted under there, this speaker obviously faces up under the dash, and there was just one bolt that I could reach my arm up into and take that out. So as soon as I took this out, the whole thing dropped right out really easily. And now when we put the new one in place, it's gonna pop up and the same bolt will hold it in place as well. I'll try to get you a look here at that spot that it's going to mount to here. So right up through here, I'm able to reach my arm right through the glove box. And there's this one point there that you can see. The speaker's going to face right up here to this where the sunlight's coming through, and then this one bolt holds the whole thing in place there, and then we'll have the wires drop down into place so we can hook them to the new radio we're getting ready to put in. Push that right into place there. Now that bracket from our new speaker, I know it's hard to see, is lining up right there, and that speaker is centered right where the old one used to be. So that is the extent, other than the wiring to your new radio, which is going to vary, of the dash speaker ends.